Hey homeowners! Hope you're having an inspiring day. Welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks Friday. Every Friday we upload tips and tricks to inspire you to become your own home decorator. Thank you for watching last week's episode. We are so appreciative of your comments. And if you haven't watched last week's episode, simply click on this link. Before we begin, please support our channel by subscribing and click the bell icon below so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Okay, let's begin. Today's episode, we are sharing tips and tricks on how to make your home more kid-friendly. Hi moms and dads, I'm pretty sure that aside from a fun-filled heaven of growth and learning, you would also like to make your place more safe and secure. There are basic tips and tricks that every parent learns, especially first-timers, along the way, but there are actually in-depth ways to make your home more kid-friendly. If you're interested to find out these ways, then please keep watching. First, choose furniture pieces that are round or with round edges. Even if you live in a house with lots of space, your child will find a corner to bump into. Try to lessen the damage to your children's heads, arms, and legs by choosing furniture that is rounded with no sharp corners. Displaying your favorite decor made of glass would be the last thing you would want as a parent of a toddler unless you hang it. Don't use furniture with glass material. Don't display ceramics, heavy items, etc. on open shelves that might topple over if the furniture is placed on it. You can use mats, carpets, big pillows, or anything soft that can be placed on the floor or wall of the kid's room or area. This helps to cushion the blow if the kid falls. Although it is normal for a child to fall, it's still uncomfortable to see the little one falling. Kids can be messy in the blink of an eye. To avoid getting body pain from tedious cleaning, here are the things you can do. Buy furniture with materials that are easy to clean. For example, leatherettes, plastics, metals, etc. Buy home accessories that can easily be washed or wiped with cloth. For example, blinds that you can wipe, curtains that you can wash, or plastic floor mats that you can wipe or power wash.
Fun fact, you can never have enough storage when you have children. That's actually true.
The best way to keep toys and stuff from taking over is to create ample storage, preferably the closed ones. Storage helps parents have a clean and organized house without having to deprive kids of their toys, books, clothes, etc. Use sofa covers to protect your sofa from stains. Sofa covers are also washable, so you can switch out every other week. You may also use plastic dining table covers to protect furniture from spills and scratches.
And that is it for this episode. I hope you guys had fun. Here's my takeaway. Just because you have kids doesn't mean you have to give up your personal style or get rid of that fancy coffee table. Unless, of course, it has sharp corners, then you have to compromise. Agree, moms and dads? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, I am so happy to share that there are this many of us in the family, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and follow us on our social media accounts. Of course, don't forget to like and share this video. That's it. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. This is Zia, inspiring your home. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize.
If you learned something from MF Home TV, tap your hands.
Yeah!
If you learned something from the home TV class,
Yeah.
did you learn something?
I